Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video of mine. So in today's video, we're going to be learning about strings in Python. So for example, we have this line of code. Type tells Python what type of data something is. Even though there are numbers, like 42, inside the text, the whole thing is still a string because it's inside quotation marks. So guys, anything inside quotation marks is considered as a string, even though if it contains numbers. I created a variable called username and I've created a variable called password. Here we're storing string inside a variable. Both single quotation mark and double quotation mark can be used to create strings. If you're creating something that's more than one line, then you're supposed to use the three quotation marks. This allows you to create string that goes across multiple lines. The value of long string is this. Now let's run the code after typing print long string because we want to execute the code. So the type of this is a string. str stands for string. Because it's inside quotation mark, it could be single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Here, since it's a long string, so we have to use three quotation marks. And the code is successfully executed. This line of code displays the whole string. Now let me give you a test. Don't worry guys, it's a simple test. Okay guys, I want you to pause the video, write this line of code in Colab, Google. I want you to tackle this by yourself. Don't cheat, don't use ChatGPT, don't use any kind of AI. Just think about it. Think what's the mistake in here, what's missing, or what should we do to fix this. So pause the video. Okay, so we have an issue in here. What the issue is, this is two lines, more than a line. So you need to use three quotation marks. After typing print password, now let's run the code. As you can see, it worked. Super secret is in two different lines. Or you can just make super secret the word on the same line of code. When you print, it can also work. But if you want super secret to be in two separate lines, then you have to use three quotation marks. I hope that you managed to solve this. If you haven't, then that's alright. Maybe in the next video, you're going to be able to solve other problems. Now let's join two strings together. Let's create a variable called first name. I'm going to put my real name, which is Maria. Now I'll create another variable called last name. And that will be my dear father name. We want to combine two strings together. To do that, we have to combine these two variables. Let's create a new variable called full name. So this is the first variable that we wrote in here. This is the second variable that we wrote in here. To combine two variables, you need to put the plus sign. Also, you need to add quotation marks. Then you have to put another plus sign and put the last variable we wrote in here, which is the last name. Now, if you print this variable full name, we'll get Maria Anas. So after we run the code, we got Maria Anas. So this code has successfully been executed. Remember, A string is a text surrounded by quotation marks, and we can use the plus sign to concatenate or join strings together. Now I want you to screenshot this or write it on a piece of paper, and that'll be everything for today's video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.